Assalamu alaikum. We are going to learn about adding two-digit numbers. Here I'm going to add these numbers by putting them into groups of ones and tens by writing one number on top and the other at the bottom. This group is for ones and this is for tens. We always start our operations from ones place, so I will add the ones first. By adding ones, I get 3 because 1 plus 2 equals 3. And by adding tens, I get 5 because 2 tens plus 3 tens equals 5 tens. And 21 plus 32 equals 53. Here I have to add the numbers 53 and 10. So let's see what is 10 more than 53. We know when we count ahead 10 more numbers on a hundreds chart, we reach at the number written just below the same number, which is 63. So 53 plus 10 equals 63. You can add two-digit numbers by adding tens and ones in the manner that I'm going to tell you. Sometimes your number sentence looks like this. I'm going to join ones to ones and tens to tens. By joining ones, I get the number 3 because 3 plus 0 equals 3. And by joining tens, I get 6 because 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is another easy way of finding your answer. Join the ones to ones and tens to tens. Add ones first and then tens. Let's see how can we add a two-digit number to a multiple of 10 on a number line. Here I have a number line. I'm going to write numbers on it starting from 53 because we will be adding 10 more numbers to this number 53. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. I have to add 10 more numbers to the number 53. So I will keep counting on until I will have skipped 10 more numbers. 1 more is 54. 2 more is 55. 3 more is 56. 4 more is 57. 5 more is 58. 6 more is 59. 7 more is 60. 8 more is 61. 9 more is 62. And 10 more than 53 is 63. So this means that 53 plus 10 equals 63. Let's see how we can add two-digit numbers by partitioning them into tens and ones. I have to add the number 53 and 12 here. I'm going to partition these numbers into tens and ones. Let's begin by separating tens first. This number has 5 tens, which means we will have the number 50 here, and this number has only 1 10. Let's look at the ones now. This number has 3 ones and this number has 2 ones. We will begin adding numbers from ones place. So I'm going to join the ones and tens. When I add ones, I get the answer 5, and when I add tens, I get 60. So finally, we have taken out the tens from both the numbers and the ones also. Total number of tens in both the numbers is 6. By adding ones, we get 5. Now let's add these tens and ones to find our answer. And 60 plus 5 equals 65. We can add on our fingers also if one of the numbers is not so big. So let's see how we will add the numbers 53 and 10 on our fingers. What I do is that I take the bigger number and start counting on from that number. So let's begin. 53 is the bigger number, so what comes after 53? Yes, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So when I add 10 more and I count on my fingers, I get the answer 63. So this means that 53 plus 10 equals 63. That was easy. Adding two-digit numbers on a number line. Let's see how we can add 50 and 13 on this number line. I have marked my number line by writing 50, 60 and 70 on it. Let's mark the number 50 on the number line. Now check how many tens do we have in the number 13? Only one 10. So I will skip by 110 on the number line. And how many ones do I have? 3 ones. Yes. So I will skip 3 ones on the number line by skipping 3 more ones I reach at the number 63. 10 plus 3 equals 13, which means 50 plus 13 equals 63. Or you can add the tens first, and by adding tens first you will get the number 60 and then add ones to it. So 60 plus 3 equals 63.